Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to change font size or text size on infinix phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Firstly, you can see here is the setting option. So friends, you have to tap on the setting. When you have been tap on the setting, if you want to change your text size or the font size, or you want to change your font style, okay, you just need to tap on display and brightness, and here is the option of display and brightness. So just tap on it. When you click on the display and brightness, you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see the font size option. Okay, so tap on the font size. When you click on the font size, you can adjust the text size now. Okay, suppose you want to make small the text size, just scroll on the down. This is the icon. You can scroll on the down, and here text size will be small. And if you want to set medium this text size, just tap on the here in the middle, and here text size will be medium. And if you want to increase or make large this text size, just tap on the here, okay, large one here on the third option, and here it has been large a little bit. So if you want to increase, decrease, or large, make small, make large, make big, if you want to control this font size, you can but just follow the steps and you can control as your wish. Okay, if you want to make small, if you want to make big, you can control it from here. Okay, so I just click on the back button. When I tap on the back button, I think there is no option for the font style. Okay, so how to change the font style? If you don't know, you can give me a comment. I'll make for you a new video, okay, so that you may know how to change the font style on your phone. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.